Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to crochet these thread spiral earrings. It's a very easy, quick to do and a beginner friendly tutorial. It's a scrap yarn project as you can crochet them using your leftover yarns in various color combinations. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. So let's see what all materials we need in order to crochet these spiral earrings. Here I have taken a 1.6 mm crochet hook, 3 ply cotton yarns in color gold and dark green. You can go for any color of yarn as per your choice. Earring hooks, pliers and scissors. So let's begin. To start up with the earrings, I'll be using the golden color yarn as the main color. So first let us make a slip knot. And chain 27. So here I have worked 27 chains. Now to start with the first round, skip the first 2 chains from the hook and going into the third chain, we'll be working 3 double crochet. So this is the first one, and going back into the same space, work 2 more double crochet. Into the next chain, again work 3 double crochet. So the sequence of this round is very simple. We'll be working 3 double crochet into each of the chains till the end of the round. So here I have almost come towards the end of the first round by working 3 double crochets into each of the chains. Here I am left with the last chain. So to end the first round, slip stitch into the last chain and cut the yarn. So that completes our first round, and this is how our crochet work looks after the completion of first round. Now we'll be giving a pretty edging. For that, insert your hook into the first double crochet . And for the second round, I'll be using this dark green color yarn. Pull the yarn to the stitch and work 1 chain. And going back into the same stitch, work 1 single crochet. Moving into the next stitch, work a single crochet. So the sequence of this round is to work 1 single crochet per stitch till the end of the round. So for the second round, as you can see, I have worked single crochets from the start till the end. And to end the second round, I have worked a slip stitch into the last stitch and cut the yarn. Also, I have weaved in all the loose ends on the back side. Now let's shape up the earrings. Just watch it out carefully and do it in the same way as I'll be doing it right now. So after shaping up, our earring would look like this. Now the last step is to add a hook on the top side. So here I have taken a earring hook. Now using the pliers, open up the space. and attach this on the top part like this. So in similar way, I have worked one more earrings. So that completes our spiral earrings tutorial. I hope you found it really very useful and interesting too. In case of any queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.